Broad Street is the main thoroughfare of what the city of Mobile is focusing most of its efforts on. It's obvious the direction the organization is trying to go to not only keep up with what the city of Mobile is doing, but to lead the charge in that revitalization.
Yeah, Broad Street is the new gateway of entering our city from the new airport, and so anything we can do to signal from somebody arriving at the airport that the area is safe, it's interesting, it sends the right message to somebody arriving in Mobile that we're a vibrant city, an interesting city, and it just helps alleviate some of the blight that exists on Broad Street today. I would think that once we begin our project that we will see other property owners who have existing businesses on Broad Street understand that it's time to restore their businesses as well. I think we'll probably see the restoration of Lattice Pharmacy. I think we're going to see more activity near the Greers. It's going to send the right signal that Broad Street is open for business and that there's a lot of money and attention being put into this area, which hasn't happened really since the closure of Berkeley Field. So, you know, this is the start of something very new and something very special in a legacy corridor.
I remember as a child during the war with, you know, Berkeley being a part of the Air Force, there was a lot of activity and there was constant flow of traffic on Washington Avenue going from town to Berkeley Field and on Broad Street going to Berkeley. I think we will be a big part of improving this neighborhood. We already have. I think we will continue to improve property and the atmosphere. And there's a lot that we could probably do for the city.
I'm happy to be a BSRS donor. I think it's important not only for what we're trying to do now, but also for future generation. You know, as a historic preservation specialist and consultant, I've seen where a catalytic project can have what they call a halo effect within an area. I think we'll have that ripple effect going one direction towards the airport and the other going towards the downtown city center, but we're right in the middle of an area that needs improvement and that we can make an impact in a very positive way.
It's something I'm proud to be a part of because, you know, generations that follow will understand, hopefully, what went into creating what we are trying to create. And the end product will be something that they will not be as financially burdened as those that are taking part now. But that's the reason it's being done now, is to take care of the future.
I think the more projects that come about on Broad Street, the better. If we can be a part of that and contribute to the historic streetscape of Broad Street and also the economic activity, I think it just helps everybody.
We've been assured that the city is going to continue to improve Broad Street. And they've got a lot at stake in improving Broad Street because of the new airport and the facilities down there at Berkeley Field. So I think we're in a good spot, and it will only continue to get better as we identify more needs going forward.